For decades, the financial services industry has been dominated by traditional banks, massive institutions that control everything from saving accounts to loans and investments. These banks have been essential to global economies, but they also come with some serious challenges for consumers. High fees, complicated bureaucracy, long waiting times, and limited accessibility, especially for those without a strong financial background, have made traditional banking a frustrating experience for many people. But what if banking could be different? What if financial services were simple, digital, and accessible to everyone without the hassle of physical branches? Founded in 2013 in São Paulo, Brazil, NuBank started with one goal: to make banking easier, fairer, and more accessible through technology. Unlike traditional banks, NuBank operates with a 100% digital-first model, meaning no physical branches, no unnecessary fees, and a customer-first approach with everything handled online. And the best part, it worked. Today, NuBank is the largest fintech in Latin America with millions of users and a valuation that rivals major banks. In this video, we'll dive into NuBank's journey, how it started, how it grew, and how it's reshaping the financial industry with innovation accessibility. So, if you ever wondered how a digital-first company could disrupt the banking industry, you're in the right place. Stay tuned. It all started in 2013 in São Paulo, Brazil. The country had a highly concentrated banking market, with just a few large banks controlling the majority of financial services. For customers, this meant high fees, bureaucratic processes, and poor service. One man, David Valles, a Colombian entrepreneur, had experienced this frustration firsthand when trying to open a bank account in Brazil. That moment sparked an idea. What if banking could be simpler, fully digital, and completely customer-focused? Valles teamed up with Cristina Junqueira, a former banking executive, and Edward Weibel, a software engineer. Together, they set up to disrupt the traditional banking system. Their mission? To create a bank that people actually love to use. No hidden fees, a digital-first experience, a user-friendly mobile app. But starting a bank from scratch wasn't easy. NuBank's success wasn't just about being digital. It was about offering real solutions that solved everyday banking frustrations. Let's take a look at some of its key innovations. The no-fee credit card, a market game changer. In 2014, NuBank launched its first product, a no-fee fully digital credit card. Before this, most banks charged high annual fees, even for basic credit cards. NuBank completely flipped the model. Zero annual fees, a transparent and easy-to-use mobile app, real-time transaction tracking. This simple change shook up the market, attracting customers who were tired of traditional banks taking their money. In 2017, NuBank introduced NuConta, a digital bank account with no maintenance, fees, and high-yield saving features. Unlike traditional accounts, NuConta had no minimum balance requirements, offered instant money transfers, big system integration, allowed users to earn daily interest on their balance. This was a game changer for millions of Brazilians with limited access to traditional banking services. It expanded it to loans and investments. Personal loans, quick approval, transparent terms, and no hidden fees. Investment options. Customers can now invest in government bonds, stocks, and crypto, all through NuBank app. NuBank wasn't just a credit card company anymore. It was becoming a full financial ecosystem. Another area where NuBank outperformed traditional banks: customer service. Traditional banks were notorious for long wait times and poor customer support. NuBank, on the other hand, built a reputation for fast, friendly, and humor-centered service. Customers could chat with support agents 24/7, and responses were quick and helpful. This commitment to great user experience turned NuBank customers into loyal brand ambassadors. NuBank's impact spread like wildfire across Brazil and Latin America. 2016, 1 million customers. 2019, 10 million customers. Today, over 100 million users across Latin America. NuBank didn't stop in Brazil. It expanded to Mexico, which launched operations in 2019, and Colombia, which entered the market in 2020. One of NuBank's biggest contributions has been promoting financial inclusion. Many Latin Americans don't have access to traditional banks due to high fees and lack of branches. NuBank's digital model allowed anyone with a smartphone to open an account in minutes. This gave millions of people access to banking, credit, and investment tools for the first time. NuBank wasn't just a fintech, it became a movement for financial empowerment. Despite its success, NuBank still faces major challenges. Competition fighting against banks and fintech rivals. Traditional banks are catching up, launching their own digital products. Other fintech startups, like Mercado Pago and PicPay, are gaining traction. To stay ahead, NuBank needs to keep innovating and expanding. Regulatory challenges navigating financial laws. Each country has different banking laws, which can slow down expansions. Governments are introducing new fintech regulations, which could impact NuBank's operations. NuBank must balance growth with compliance to keep expanding. The future of NuBank. What's next? IPO and market growth. NuBank went public in 2021, attracting global investors. New financial products, expansion into insurance, business, banking, and crypto. More global expansion. Could we use NuBank in Argentina, Chile, or even Europe? NuBank isn't slowing down, it's just getting started. NuBank has proven that banking doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on technology, accessibility, and customer experience, it has changed the way millions of people manage their money. What do you think about NuBank's success? Would you use a digital bank over a traditional one? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fintech stories and insights.
Also, if you want to learn more about banking, make sure to check our video about BTG Pactual. Thank you for watching.